In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to your videos in Canva. All you have to do is click on the video where you want to add the text. Also look on the left hand side and you will find text. You click on that. Now you can choose the text right here. You can choose from these basic options right here, or you can scroll down and use some of those different text style that you can see right here. Once you find something that you like, whether from the design or from something that you want to work with, you can always go ahead and add it. So I'm going to choose, for example, this option here, day in my life. And you can basically add it wherever you want, right? And you can also adjust it. If you want to change the color as well, you can always change that. You click on color at the top and you can change this to white or whatever it is that you want, right? And you can basically position it where you want. And so if you ever also want to change the text, let's say I want to click on the text, I can click on the section where the text is and I can basically change it. So I can say a day in the hills, for example, a day in the hills, for example, something like that. And as you can see, it is no change. But that's it, guys.